Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a tall, thin, pinch-topped box. And if you saw my Cards in the Mail to Me video on Saturday, you will have seen this one that the lovely Jenny sent me. And this has got a hot chocolate pouch in it. Now, this was a design I made a while ago. Jenny, I love it. Jenny sends me gifts and goodies and treats in the post for me and for the children. And she'll use designs that I've made, and it's lovely to see her variation on it. So there is a tutorial for this one, and it just happened to be, and I'd completely forgot that this was due. I was due to be filming this for today, that you were going to see this one as well. So it's very slightly different. So this one is 2 inches by 2 inches by 10 inches tall, which in metric is 5 by 5 by 25.5 centimeters tall, whereas this one is 2.5 by 2.5 by 8 inches tall, which is going to be about 6 by 6 by 20 centimeters, give or take. But there is a tutorial for it, and it was designed to hold those hot chocolate sticks. But this is just a taller, slimmer version. I'd like to be taller and slimmer than I am. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make it. And it uses a piece of paper, 8.5 by 12 inches, 22 by 30.5 centimetres. On the long side, score it at 2 inches, 5 centimetres. And then on the short side, score it every 2 inches at 2, 4, 6 and 8. Which is 5, 10, 15 and 20. Oh, seriously, Fauna, you were asleep. Don't come any further, kitten. So, it's a lovely, lovely paper. So beautiful. I've had to stop myself using the one that has got the copper coloured flowers. I've got a notebook here that also featured in Saturday's video. I love this paper and I can't not use it. But I'm forcing myself to use other papers from that pack because they are equally beautiful. That one is just particularly striking. Okay, so burnished all of those and the bottom. Okay, grab some scissors. So I'm going to take away this little skinny rectangle here and a tiny bit at the top. And it just gives a neater close like that. And then down at the bottom, separate those parts. So what you're left with is we've cut away this little bit here, mitered a tiny bit there, and then these are all separated. Okay, so I'm going to get some tear and tape along here. Oh, Monday reminder, the last chance sale for the January to June mini catalogue is live. It went live on the 1st. I managed to put up a blog post at 11 o'clock in the morning. Getting my times completely wrong, it went live at 7 in the evening. And I know loads of you have shopped it already. But go, go, go. Don't miss out. Right, you can see I've sealed that side, so I'm going to fold in my sides and the back. Whoops. And pop some more tear and tape over there. Okay, and then just pinch at the top and grip, and you can run your fingers down or you can leave it like that. It kind of depends on what you've got in here. So because it's a tall, thin box, you'd probably get you'd definitely get toiletries in there. I probably got a lot of them. You'd get a smaller chocolate by the looks of things. This is another one that Jenny gave me. So a smaller one would fit in there. I'm just going to put one hole in the centre here. Oh, I would if I could get hold of. There we go. That's not a big enough hole. Let's use the other side. Yeah, some toiletries. You could put a whole bunch of individually wrapped toiletries in there and then load them up. That would be good. Right, I've got, this is the grosgrain ribbon, and it's Highland Heather, but it's shimmery. Let me see if I can get this to slowly focus on me all the way up. It's glittery and shimmery, and it's very, very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go in through the front and over. And I've dropped my scoring tool on the floor. Seriously, what's she doing in that box behind me? No idea. That's not bad ribbon. That's not a bad bow. It's a bit wibbly, but you know, this is me. You can't expect better than that. Right. Whoops. So, because I've used Highland Heather there, I'm going to use Highland Heather for my box as well. So I've got the Elegantly Said stamp set, which matches this along with the Elegant Label Punch. There we go. And so I want to bring in the Highland Heather again. So I need a piece that, well, obviously this is 2 inches wide, 5 centimetres. So I want it a little bit less. So I'm going to go 1 3/4 inches wide. There we go, 1 3/4. And I'm just going to eyeball it, and I want it about that long. So that's 5 inches. And my piece of Whisper White that I'm going to put to layer on top is going to be 1/4 inch, 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower. And that will give me the perfect little border that will go all the way round, and it will just sit on the front of that. But it's entirely up to you how long you make yours. It depends on what you want to put on it, really, I guess. I'm going to take that big one, and what words? All the things you do are amazing. I like that. That's the one I used the other day. So I'm going to grab my basic grey, not a colour I use very often actually. Don't really know why. And first up, I'm going to get a big section across the top, like that, and then a slightly smaller one down here at the bottom, because I want a little bit of white open space. And I'm going to take this one, it's a bigger piece. And then grab my punch. Come back in with this again. And just try and work. Can you hear her? She's going, why aren't you playing with me? Just to get a little bit at the top. Ooh, nearly threw that at myself. And I've got short sleeved on today, so I'd have basic grey all the way up my arm. Oh, I wonder if I can fit that. Oh, nearly, not quite. Okay. I'll just do that. Okay, let me start layering this all up. So, Seal Plus over the front, and offset it a little bit, because I just want a little bit of that lovely Highland Heather peeping through. And I'm going to grab some dimensionals. I'm going to evict the kittens before I film my next video. Because I don't know what they're up to, but they're being very naughty. Okay, 2 more on the back of there. And I'm going to position that over there, I think. A little bit further to the top. And that, I think, is really rather lovely. Look at that, in less than 10 minutes. One beautiful gift box or bag. Like I say, depending on what you've got inside it, you can get that side all the way in, or you can have it all the way out. but I love them. I love how they look. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.